internet is a horrible place, and I'm here to make it worse.
Nifty, I was never good at math, but let's just try to get this over with. If Alistair had 19 bottles of dish soap, and I took away
Why does he have so much soap?
Mind your business, Nifty! It's my life! Damn! Gonna make you wish that I'd stayed gone. Oh, Charlie, Adam isn't totally useless. He can be used as a bad example.
You little...
How the hell does an ID expire? I'm the same person. Oh, Charlie, I have an idea for a game. It's called hide and seek. I hide, and you seek professional help.
Tell you, Charlie, I am loving these balconies.
Would you like a push?
What?
When I was young, I was poor, but after many years of struggle, I'm no longer young. Or the reason why I smile. Because you're such a joke. Don't break somebody's heart. They only have one of those. Break their bones! They have 206 of those bad boys.